Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter private, public and global enterprises, that is government company. The government company means any company in which at least 51% of the paid up capital is held by the central or state government or partly by the central or state government. The government company are governed and ruled by the provision of Companies Act 1956 Act by the register companies. For example, State Authority of India, State Trading Corporation, Hindustan Machine Tools. And the feature of government company is registration. The government company get incorporated under the Company Act 1956. All the provision of Company Act are applicable on the government company. The government can exempt it from the some provision by passing the special resolution. Next, ownership. The government company is wholly and partially owned by the government. The share capital of this company is owned by the government of the India in the name of the president. Next, management. The management of the company is managed by the board of director, who is nominated by the government. And other shareholder. Government has the authority to appoint the majority of directors. Separate legal entity. Government company has separate legal existence. It is the it can be buy and sell the property of its own name. It can enter into the contract with its own name. Ministerial control. Government company is subject to ministerial control. Concerned with ministry make appointment of director. Ministry may be issue. The director can issue assume overall supervision of undertaking. Financial autonomy. The government company enjoy the borrowing power. It can be capital by issue the various security. It is free to use the revenue from the government expense of the company. Next, efficient staff. The recruitment and remuneration of the employee of the government companies are independently decided by the government company itself. They do not govern by the service rules. Accountability. The government company are accountable to the minister or the department concerned. It is annual report to present discuss the parliamentary state assembly. Next, merit advantage of the government company. The first, administrative autonomy. The government company is relatively free from the government and political interference. It can be function fairly smoothly under the general vigilance of the government, and suitable change that can be introduced whenever need with the providing the Company Act. Greater flexibility. The government company is managed, finance and audit just as other private sector companies. It can be therefore secure greater flexibility, freedom of the operation and quickness of the actions and running the enterprises. Next, efficient staff. The government companies can have their own rule and regulation regarding the recruitment and remuneration of employee. They can appoint the professional and specialized people by offering the better service and salary. Next, collaboration. The government company can avail academic, marginal and technical know how to exploit of the private enterprise by conventionally cooperate with it. Next, demerit. Autonomy as per only the freedom and flexibility of the company to the government company is truly theoretical only. It actual practice the government and being major shareholder detect the terms and get the thing done in its own name. Next, political interference. The government company are treated as the personal property of the minister. The interference of minister is frequently. Board pact with the government representative. The board of directors, government company appointed by the government, and so director always try to please the government rather than improving the efficiency of the government company. Suitability. Government company is suitable for the organization when the government want to control the company, the private sector without nationalizations, where government want to go for the cooperation with private companies, where the project require government planning for each other. Thank you.